Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to update your information with Credit One. Let's get straight into it. There are a couple of ways that you can do this update of information. The first is online updates. Now how you're going to do that is to log into your Credit One online account, and then you just want to click on the account setting tab, and then just choose the information that you want to update. That could be phone number, email address, or it could be housing address, residential address. You could just enter the updated information and just click save, and that's going to help you to update that. If you want to do that for phone, you could just call Credit One's customer service. The number is right there on the screen, so you just want to reach out to their customer service, and you're going to need to share your credit card number as well as other identifying information so as to access your account. And then just ask the representative to update your information, and of course you're going to need to provide the updated information that you want, and they're going to help you to do that. Now for mail updates, you can always just write a letter requesting the updates to your information. You're also going to need to include your credit card number and other identifying informations, and you're also going to need to provide the updated information, and that could be residential address or phone number, email address, or whatever. And then just mail the letter to the address listed on your statement or on Credit One's website. And here there are types of updates that you can do. You can have address updates, where you're going to update your mailing address or billing address. You can also update your phone number, you can update your email address, and you can also update your name. So for whatever reason, if your name changes, probably due to marriage, divorce, or other reasons, you can always just update that on Credit One. So a couple of tips and reminders for you guys. The first is to update your information as soon as possible to ensure accurate account records. You also want to verify your update has been processed correctly, and you can just reach out to Credit One's customer service if you have any questions or concerns about updating your information. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to update your information with Credit One. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.